Hi guys, I'm just taking a little moment here on a Friday afternoon just to celebrate the proper launch of Nourishing Kids. It's something that I've been working on now for years. It's something that started with fussy eating, and then it moved on to feeding babies, and then it moved on to gut and immune health, and then it moved on to labor reading and over 100 recipes. And now it's really a feeding babies and kids one-stop shop. It's a Bible. It is everything that you would ever want to know about feeding kids. And most of all, it's just making mums know that they are doing well. Their kids are doing well. Their kids are not deficient. And if they are, I help you with that. And basically, it's a one-stop shop for feeding babies and kids so that you feel good as a mum about how you're feeding your child. You feel supported. We've got a beautiful community. We connect all of the time. You've got access to me all of the time, direct Q&A calls, tutorials, cheat sheets. It's all there for you. So head to nourishwithkarina.com/membership. Check it out. Check out all the amazing things it will offer you. And I cannot wait to see you join and achieve amazing things in the group. See your children eat all these amazing new foods. For you to feel supported and just that load lifted off your shoulders so you know your kids are getting what they need to thrive. Anyway, I've said enough. Check it out and have a great weekend. See ya.